In theory, Claude AI is only available in the US and UK. In practice, however, you can access it from almost anywhere. And here's how to do it. Outside of the US and UK, even if you go through all the login steps and get a verification code, you still won't be able to unblock Claude AI. It's just going to show an error. Since we don't advise relocating just to be able to talk to an AI, here's the trick: changing your virtual location. For that, you need a Claude AI VPN. There is no singular best VPN for Claude AI. Most VPNs, at least the reliable ones, will do the trick. For this tutorial, though, we use the NordVPN app. It has over 400 servers within the UK and almost 2,000 of them scattered across the US. And of course, it doesn't hurt that we have a discount code for it. If you decide to use NordVPN, there's a link in the description of this video. Anyway, the process of learning how to use Claude AI from anywhere is very straightforward. Once you have a NordVPN account, open the app, find a US server either on the list or this map, and then connect to it. If you try to log into Claude AI now, you should get right in. Add your name, mark the required boxes, and click Continue. At first, you'll get a set of disclaimers, but after this whole thing, you can jump straight into chatting with Claude AI. As for the VPN part, NordVPN worked seamlessly for us. But if you want more options, try Surfshark, IPVanish, ExpressVPN, CyberGhost, and even Atlas VPN. There are plenty of good options, and we left links to them in the description as well. Either way, now you know how to access Claude AI from anywhere, so enjoy your chat with this AI chatbot, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.